their reactivity in nucleophilic addition reaction. Ethanal, propanal, propanone, butanone. So if you see these 4 compounds, first 2 compounds are aldehydes. First compound and second compound are aldehydes. Third compound and fourth compound are ketones. They asked us to write in the increasing order of their reactivity. Which is least reactive here? Butanone. Why butanone is least reactive? Because of the presence of more number of carbon atoms. With increasing the number of carbon atoms, reactivity decreases. So butanone less reactive than propanone, propanone less reactive than propanal, propanal less reactive than ethanol. So what is the order there? Butanone less reactive than propanone. Butanone and propanone are ketones only. Why butanone is less reactive? Because of the presence of more number of carbon atoms. Propanone is less reactive than propanal. Propanal is less reactive than ethanol. That is the order in the first example. Now let us see second example. In second example, benzaldehyde, para-tolualdehyde, para-nitrobenzaldehyde, acetophenone. So first, second and third compounds. First 3 compounds are aldehydes. Fourth compound is ketone. So ketones are less reactive than aldehydes. So what is the first compound which is least reactive here? Acetophenone. This is acetophenone. Acetophenone is less reactive. Less reactive than what? Para-tolualdehyde. What is para-tolualdehyde? This is para-tolualdehyde. CH3 group will be there in the para position. Why para-tolualdehyde is least reactive? CH3 group is electron releasing. If it releases electrons, positive charge intensity on carbon decreases. So reactivity also decreases. Then comes benzaldehyde. And then comes para-nitrobenzaldehyde. Why para-nitrobenzaldehyde is more reactive among these aldehydes here? NO2 group is electron withdrawing group. It withdraws electrons towards itself. So what happens to the positive charge intensity on carbon? Increases. If positive charge intensity or magnitude of positive charge on carbonyl carbon increases, means reactivity also increases. So what is the order here? Acetophenone less reactive than para-tolualdehyde, less reactive than benzaldehyde, less reactive than para-nitro